Folks, did you notice the strumming of that guitar, the swinging of that clock, and the swing moving back and forth? They all move differently, but what type of motion is each one actually showing? The guitar makes noise due to vibrations, and what the pendulum displays is an oscillatory motion, which brings us to our today's question: what is the difference between an oscillating object and a vibrating object? Let's start with the swing. When you push it, it goes forward, then back, then forward again. It is moving between two extreme points, and you can actually see it move between those 2 points. That right there is an oscillation. An oscillating object moves back and forth in a big, visible, slow, and regular pattern. Now think of the pendulum clock, the ocean waves, or even the beating rhythm of your heart on an ECG machine. Big, visible, regular, repeating. That is known as oscillation. Now remember the guitar we saw? What happens when you pluck a guitar string? It moves so fast that your eyes just can't track it. It looks like nothing but a blur. That is what we call vibration. It is also a back and forth motion, but it's incredibly fast, tiny, and often invisible to the naked eye. The vocal cords in your throat as you talk, the molecules in a hot cup of tea, all vibrating like crazy. Small, fast, often invisible. And here's the twist. Vibration is actually a type of oscillation. Both are repetitive, back and forth motion. So what's the difference? The difference lies in their scale and speed. Oscillation is slow and large. Vibration is fast and small. Oscillation is the big umbrella term. Vibration is just the fast, tiny version living under that umbrella. Think of it this way. All vibrations oscillate, but not all oscillations vibrate. Your swing oscillates, but it doesn't vibrate. Your guitar string, it does both. So the next time you see a guitarist strumming or you spot a swing at the park, you'll know exactly what type of motion you're looking at. If you want to go deeper, drop a comment below. Which real-life phenomenon should we break down next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.